Hello and welcome back to another DS Booster tutorial. On this video, I will be showing you how to use the filter option on the price monitor, okay? So here, you just go to filters and you will have different options on how to filter your DS Booster items, okay? So we will be showing how to use each one of these options, okay? So first of all, you can filter on in stock, which are the items available on your store, out of stock, the out of stock items on your store, and the not tracked option. Okay, this not tracked is the option that will show you which items are not being tracked by DS Booster. This could be because you're not paying the package that includes all of your items. You only have the $500, sorry, 500 item on store on DS Booster, and you have 1000 items, for example, or something like that. Next, you can filter by using your Amazon or Walmart source. Also, you can go from a price range, for example, $10 to $15 items. So we can go ahead and apply filter, and this will show you only the items between this price range. So let me go ahead and show you this. So we will only have one item in this case because we only have 5. So we have only a few. Also, we can go refresh the monitor. You go here. So we can filter again all the items. We will have the eBay price. We can also do exactly the same as we just did, but with the eBay price on our items. We can also see the quantity of our items here. This usually should be the same because we will be restocking each one of your items every hour. If you sold, for example, 10 items and your default quantity is 10, we will go ahead and replenish that on your store. But you have this option in case you want to use it. Also the break even, you have here to filter all your items with different break evens. Same with the desired profit, same with the desired profit percentage. And also you can filter by colors. So let's say you have the blue items that are, I don't know, for example, Walmart items below $20. This is just an example. So you can go ahead, click blue, apply the filter, and you will get only the blue items, okay? Blue color items. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much how to use the custom filter we have on DS Booster. The only thing we're missing here is you can also filter by date. Okay, so let's say you want to see which items you have listed from the 1st of January till today. So you apply filter and we will show you exactly all the items that were listed from that date to the second date you chose. In this case, I didn't choose any second date. So this will show you all the items starting from the date you selected till today. So yeah, this is pretty much how to use the filter. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask us. We will be happy to help. If you have any suggestion or idea, we will be happy to help you too. We're looking forward to provide the best service. So we will be always be open to any suggestions. Thank you again for watching this tutorial and welcome to DS Booster.